want it from them. Just no one can stop you from doing that. So I feel I love doing adventures. So where did that come from? And I think it is like driving a bike. When I was in 8th class, I started driving bikes. I used to drive my father's Hero Honda. That's where I think my sense of fear or my fear towards falling down or something, that's gone. I don't have that. Today I can jump from any hill and I don't have a fear of, what is the fear that we get if you want to jump from heights? Maybe we'll die or something like that. I don't have any fear. And my father didn't give that support with his words. He always gave me with his actions. He was never at home. But whenever we need something, he was just a phone call away. And there were many years where we didn't even live in same city. Me and my brother and my mom, only we was at home. And he used to travel alone so that our school or our career does not get disturbed. So for parents to have such a level of understanding, it's very difficult. So after marriage, even like after my kid, I was wondering if I could give such an encouragement to my child or not. So that's one thing I want to learn from my parents. It's not about showing physical emotions in front. It's about the emotions that they have, which they might not show to us every day. But I can see the connection that they have. And my mom, my father is really lucky to have my mom. I can say that very proudly. And my mom never says my father is her hero. She might not say it like in words, but I know she feels it inside somewhere. And the way she supports my father, our family, is like immense. And I hope I develop some qualities from them. And Nana, I'm really proud. I'm really proud of you. And I've not told you this ever, but I love you. I hope I get some qualities that you have in you, and I also give it to my children. This day, I worked at ADP. It's just for 2 years. So I could sense the pressure or feeling of a farewell, and I could see that in your face. So, but you have a huge life ahead, Nana. I want you to do whatever you want, and we are always there for you to support you, like you supported us since our childhood. It's the vice versa, Nana. You were not there with us, but you supported us. Now, I might not be there with you physically. I might be there in US, but I'm always there for you. You please don't forget that, Nana. I'll be there whenever you want. I'm sorry, this is too emotional, but this is what I feel. As children, we don't get a chance to talk about our parents. So, getting this chance is also very, I'm very grateful for this chance. And thank you, Amma, Nana, for all this. So, at home, my mom was asking me, what will you speak? I was like, I'm not going to speak, I'm going to escape in some way. But I thought even a while ago my brother was speaking. He was also speaking with so much of, love. I could sense that he was even beating the bench. So his way of emotion is like that, and my way of emotion is all the tears and all. So yeah, Nana, you both, Amma and Nana, you both have succeeded in your life by raising us in good way, and proud to have you as our parents. And I hope you continue to give so much love to the next generations. And thank you so much.
Colleagues of my brother, I can proudly say that Srinath is my brother. Today I am able to sit here in this meeting is because of his whatever qualities you told, how he is in office. He is the same thing he gives to family members. Just like that. The only thing is, same side is one quotation is there. Leadership is not the position, leadership is the action. That he proved, and is really a great human being. Thank you.
America, there was no ambulance. That is why he is successful. The credit goes to no doubt about it. Thank you.
My family is from Chennai only. We were together in one zone, Solapur. And Mr. Srinath audited my branch in 2010. And the way he treated, he addressed the core issues instead of talking on a particular account. Whatever issue was there, he used to talk on that, how it should be never repeated. But this account I will suggest will improve. Later on, how to go about that, so that there is no audit queries or irregularities are there in future also. That was one way. And second thing is his simplicity. The way he used to come. 9:15 he will be in the branch, and quarter to 5 he will be out of the branch. He only required one sub staff to fetch the files, and he was the only person I have ever seen in my entire banking career. Whatever paper has been taken from that file has to mandatorily go in the same manner in the same file, and he will ensure that it is filed properly before he leaves. So that is, I am taking a break here. In fact, whatever the daughter said, if the credit goes to madam, that is post-marriage, raising these kids. But the actual credit goes to the parents sitting over there with permission. हम लोग हिंदू में तो बोलते हैं ना, माता जी पहले है ना, लक्ष्मी तो पहले आते हैं. तो फर्स्ट इज द लक्ष्मी. This is and I am representing my entire family with 3 beautiful daughters, 3 beautiful sisters, 4 granddaughters, my parents. Everybody knows Srinath personally. So this is the beauty of it. Amma, that's for you. Now it is having the word the boss. So the boss is to be facilitated now. पहला लक्ष्मी, बाद में विष्णु. अपना किधर खोल रहे यार? अभी आप खोल कर कीजिए. हाँ. अभी समझ में आया कैसे वो बच्चे लोग प्रॉपरली सीखते हैं. He said I used to ride the bike. He never told which bike. It is Royal Enfield.
Yes, sir, we know that.
Like you know, but he told or not?
No. Srinath have been proudly.
We have seen her when Thank you very much. Now I'll continue. So of course, in married life, everybody is blessed to have one beautiful wife. And the beautiful part is not appearance-wise, the character-wise. Whatever achievement, we all bankers know it. The movable asset of the bank. Anywhere they want to post, they will post. Family gets this, and it is the only lady who can manage the house very comfortably is there. So Babiji, thank you very much for handling such a man very comfortably. He is a real genius, remembering almost all the circulars, page number, file number, everything. And known or unknown, you may be giving lift to any known person, but you never give a lift to unknown person. He is a person who can give lift to anyone, help anyone without even knowing his or her intention, but he will support everywhere. So that is the beauty of it. Tina Danna, that's all. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity, and the beautiful part is that everybody has done very nice decoration there also. Here also it is all there. So GM sir, thank you very much. Uday Kandi, thank you very much. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, you try to take that pen. What you have done? What I told you? As simple as it is. Nothing more than that. In life, it is the only principle. If you try, no, you have to make concerted attempt, concerted effort. Yes, anything is possible. One thing last I just want. Whatever you do in the house, just give 25% in the bank. Your 100% of the things are fulfilled. That much I can tell you. No need to bother anything. If you apply the logic, circular will tell the same thing. It will never go beyond that. But you should read the circular before applying the logic. Don't forget about it. Once you read the circular, it will remind, yeah? And apply the logic. Same thing will be there in event, just like that. And whenever there is a problem, don't read circular. Because your idea is always to find out that issue. There will not be concern for resolving. Once you start doing the job, before that, be abreast of the things. It's not an issue at all. Very, very comfortable. No, nothing to think about it. Once you are encountering an issue, problem, automatically your brain will take you there and you will come to a logical conclusion. As simple as that. When we are able to make, especially all these girls, women, whatever name it, making the house as a home, it's the toughest thing than working in a bank. Very easy for anybody for that matter, nothing to think about. Any of the male members ever said no to your better half when she says to bring something? Anybody can tell me.
Yes.
When that is the case, when we are in the bank, we are supposed to complete the job in the same fashion. Nobody should do that. With all this, I only can say, you are all good people. Do good, be good, continue to be good. Okay, all the best and good luck.
Man of the moment, our beloved Srinathji, and his entire wonderful family, all 4 generations, including. Really, yes, what everybody has said, it's a mixed feeling. We have been together for last 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years, and we never felt out of place. It was a wonderful tuning between us. Normally, it is a difficult thing to find, but the way we could gel, that gave us a good result. Probably when we came here, there's NBD, or when it was NBD, now it is FGMO. It was said that it was number 1, and the time he is leaving, again he has left at our FGMO as number 1. Without the contribution, his able leadership is known to everyone. The kind of support he has given to me, that was wonderful, unimaginable. We never had any discontent or any thoughts which were in other direction. Normally it happened that I was working on something, he was also working on the same thing in his cabin. And when we met, both were on the same page. So maybe that he could read the mind. That may be a reason, but yes, I always wanted that we should have a very good environment in the office. As Rajesh correctly told, we always felt that our staff should be happy in the office. They should feel like coming to the office, not that oh again I have to go to the office. It should be oh today again I have to go to office and then I have to do this thing, I have to do that, and I will make some value addition to it. So this is what we wanted, and with his support, with his active support and involvement, that should be done. We cherish your support. Again, before joining, the retirement date is fixed. Joining date may not be fixed, but then retirement date is fixed. So it is part of their life. Retirement is, again, as I said earlier, it is not just the end. It's a beginning. It's a new beginning where he can devote more time with the family, where he can pursue his hobbies. He is a sports person, again he can go back to it, or just he can simply relax, enjoy. He is a thoroughly knowledgeable person, avid reader, very active. At this stage, you would have seen, the whole entirety would have seen that till the time he came to this cabin for his farewell function, he was working on something or other. So he never had that thing in his mind that he is going to retire from the active service. So that is the sense of belongingness he had in his mind. That is what he has tried to inculcate in all the people. And again, in your moving forward in the career, whatever growth you have seen, certainly your family, especially your wife, everybody has a role to play. They would have sacrificed something or other. It can never happen without the family, anybody progressing. So kudos to your family. And Sandhya, I would say that he used to remember daily. See, we used to have lunch together, and I think daily we used to meet a number of times. But he always used to remember you more fondly than maybe we had, since maybe he, for the reason that he is nearby. So, but he used to take your name almost daily. So, like you are blessed with such a good father, he also is blessed with a wonderful family. Definitely he is going to enjoy your company with all of you. Take care of him, let him enjoy whatever he wants to do. And it means we do not have that kind of words to come out with all the good things he has. But yes, I endorse whatever our team has said, or our both Parmar Sahab and Raiswami Sahab, they have told. So I just wish you a very happy, healthy, active and cheerful life. Maintain this your calm, composure, and this smile should continue on your face. All the best to you, all the best to your family members. Enjoy to the fullest. Thank you very much. Message is from our MD and CEO. Certificate has been signed by him.
श्री श्रीनाथ नंदुरु जी, अपनी विस्तृत भावनाओं के साथ आपकी सेवानिवृत्ति पर आपको विदाई देता हूँ। यद्यपि बिछड़ना हमेशा कष्टप्रद होता है, परंतु किसी संगठन की व्यवस्था की यही आवश्यक प्रक्रिया है। इस संस्था के लिए आपके द्वारा लंबे सहयोग हेतु मैं आपके प्रति आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। मुझे विश्वास है कि पूर्ण संतोष की भावना के साथ आप अपने कार्यालय से विदा ले रहे हैं। इस अवसर पर मैं अपनी इस पूरी संस्था में आपकी व्यावसायिक यात्रा का स्मरण दिलाना चाहूँगा और चाहता हूँ कि आपके मूल्यवान सुझाव यदि कोई हो तो वह भी प्रदान करें, जिससे कॉर्पोरेट लक्ष्य उद्देश्यों को पूरा करने में मदद मिलेगी। आप जानते हैं कि हमारा हमेशा यह प्रयास रहा है कि हम अपने सभी साथियों के सेवांत लाभ के मामलों का निपटान जल्द से जल्द यथासंभव अधिकता की तारीख के अगले दिन करेंगे। तदनुसार आपके सेवांत देयों का निपटान करने हेतु व्यवस्था की गई है। बैंक ऑफ इंडिया भविष्य निधि नियमों के अनुसार सेवा समाप्ति पर सदस्य की भविष्य निधि की राशि पर अधिकतम 2% के लिए ब्याज दर का भुगतान किया जा रहा है। तथापि वर्तमान दिशा निर्देशों के अनुसार भुगतान निपटान की तारीख तक ऐसी रखी गई राशियों या निपटान नहीं की गई भविष्य निधि राशि पर अर्जित ब्याज हेतु स्रोत पर कटौती का भी प्रावधान है। इस पृष्ठभूमि में आप विचार कर सकते हैं कि भविष्य निधि राशि को रखने या निपटान के लिए अपना अनुरोध कर सकते हैं। आप सेवानिवृत्त कर्मचारियों की चिकित्सा सहायता योजना की सदस्यता भी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, ताकि आप सेवानिवृत्त कर्मचारियों के लिए बैंक की कल्याणकारी योजना का लाभ ले सकें। मुझे विश्वास है कि अपनी सेवानिवृत्ति के उपरांत जहां आप अपने स्वास्थ्य और परिवार की ओर ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे, नई बैंक के एम्बेसडर के रूप में अपना सहयोग बैंक के साथ जारी रखेंगे और अपने अनुभव से समाज की भलाई के लिए कार्य करेंगे। तब आपके पास काफी समय होगा जिसका उपयोग आप अपनी रुचि के कार्यों को पूर्ण करने में कर सकेंगे। मैं संपूर्ण बैंक ऑफ इंडिया परिवार की ओर से आपके और आपके परिवार के लिए बहुत ही सुखद, शांतिपूर्ण एवं संतुष्ट जीवन की कामना करता हूँ। आपको आश्वस्त करता हूँ, आप इस परिवार के हिस्से बने रहेंगे और हमेशा के समान हमारा स्नेह और गर्मजोशीपूर्ण व्यवहार आपके प्रति बना रहेगा। ईश्वर की कृपा आप पर बनी रहे। इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ रजनीश कर्नाटका।
तुमको जाना पड़ेगा, you have to go there. Really small.
Oh.
This is also one gift of mine. Just one gift. Open this one. Thank you, everybody.
Once again, all the best and good luck, one and all.
We all
Enjoy
wish you
this
the
time. Continue to keep a smile on the face. Everything will be good. See, spend up getting other expressions. That is very much. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.